everybody, welcome to another video and good morning from Agra. I'm currently at Agra Fort, which is a massive fort slash walled city, which was the ancient capital of the Mughal Empire. It was built around the 1560s. The sister monument is the Taj Mahal, of course everybody's heard of that, which is just down the road a couple kilometers. But this was the capital of the Mughal Empire for a while, and then it eventually moved back to Delhi, to the Red Fort, which I have in another video, and you can check that out right here. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. So the admission is pretty steep. It's usually $650, but today, since it's Friday, it was $600 for cash. These walls are massive. It's got to be 20 meters tall. And there's inner walls and outer walls, and also a moat that goes around the entire walled city, and a river. Apparently there was a harem that used to stand about here, housing 5,000 women. This looks like some kind of old cistern, and it's pretty deep. I can't tell. It's at least 10, maybe 15 meters deep. very polluted and foggy today, but the Taj is over there in the mist. Sorry. So that's it everybody for the Agra Fort. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.